Hey everybody, hi. I'm the Brosman, and thanks for checking out my channel. In today's video, we're going to show Buddy's trailer. I finally finished Buddy's trailer after obsessing for the last 2 weeks and building this thing. I finally got it done. Trailer hitch is complete. My U-joint's complete. That's on there, so everything seems to be solid. I got a safety chain, I got the whole 9 yards. So anyway, first part of the video will be the little ride around a couple of houses here, just to show you how the unit works, and then I'll go into the build on what I started with and what I ended up with, and then there's a little bit of Buddy footage in the middle there. He seemed to, whenever I work in the garage, he likes to come out and see what's going on and check things out, and he's always looking for snacks. Anyway, little Buddy's in the middle there. So please enjoy, like and subscribe. That helps me out, helps me motivate to do some more content. To my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my content. I really appreciate it. It's so neat to watch that number going up and up and up. I think I'm up to 128 subscribers now. So big cheese, baby. Oh yeah, big deal on YouTube. So please subscribe, and I'll keep making more content. Thank you for checking it out, and I'll be talking with you later.
Good ideas, doesn't she?
Mm-hmm.
And aren't I the one that said get a sponge?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I like that. That looks real good. Yeah,
3.
looks good. And then when you take this off, you'll have that. Hey, look at that.
Yeah, I've got a question. on, because the top's going to be beige,
Right.
should I eliminate most of the beige in here and just cover it over with gold?
No, you want it to be
Okay,
red.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so it's the next day. Take a look how it looks like here in the sun. Got the sticker on there for my username. I'm waiting for the Coleman stickers to come so I can put them in that blank spot there on both tails and in the center there. But for the most part, that sponge technique seemed to come out really well. Katie really had a great idea with that that sponge technique, so I'm happy. Okay, let's go on to the next step. I like the way the camo came out. So it should blend right in with the middle strip, and this will be the bottom of the frame. Ooh, yeah. So now I'm doing clear coat to protect it. So put a few more coats of clear coat on it. They're not going anywhere, might as well coat them. Also did the tubes, and I clear coated the frame again today while I lay out the ribs. Okay, that's it for right now.
I smell something. What do you have up here? Do you have a snack up here? Do you have food up here, Dad?
Hey,
What?
you can't go up on that one.
You know what? I still smell food.
You can stay on this one, but do not go up there.
Do you have food?
I'm just gonna hang out.
What? I smell something.
The cross braces have to come in at 22.5, I think.
Dad, that is not what I smell.
22.5. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this
Dad,
angle.
that's not it.
See this angle here?
He just doesn't understand.
Listen here. We're gonna cut these pieces. We're gonna cut.
That's 5 minutes of my life I will never get back. Now know, if you really loved me, Daddy, you'd give me a little snack.
Nothing over there to eat, dude. Not that you're a dog. You're not a food dog. Here, this is one thing that's great about
Oh, Dad, please don't be talking about me again.
He's not a food hound. He's not there begging all the time for food, which is awesome. He's just been
Dad,
there since
you're
he was
killing
a
me.
puppy. Even
The
though my
guys
other
are gonna
two
have a
dogs, Cocker
fit.
Spaniel and a
You're
Beagle,
always talking
totally
about
live for
me.
their stomachs. But this guy doesn't. You give him a snack and he'll take it over there,
Right
and put it
now,
on the
I
ground
want
and just
some
sit out
food.
there in the distance
Don't
and watch
tell
everybody
anyone
else
I don't like
feed
that
and
stuff.
go crazy and
I
more
want
and more
some
and more.
snacks.
He's cool with that one piece. And then, if somebody gets too close to it, he lets them know on no uncertain terms, get the heck away from my food. This is my snack. Hey, I gotta get the rest of this done. So, you wanna go back in the house? Huh? Wanna go find Mom?
Well, it looked like it turned okay.
Didn't even notice it was back there, so there's no load whatsoever that way. What did you think of that? Did it track straight?
Yeah, yeah, it was.
Now Buddy's got shade.